Hi guys, welcome to Supposedly Chic. I am Cindy Brown and this is Wantable Fashion Edit unboxing number 3 for us here. Last month we had a couple hits but quite a few misses. So what's inside this box this month? Let's find out guys, right now. Hi y'all, here we are with our Wantable Fashion Edit. This is our third one. Guys, I'm pretty excited about what we got today. We have everything from floral to stripes, to a romper, to a dress, to a pair of shorts, and a really cool pair of earrings. So we'll see about the fit issues because that was probably our number one problem last month. If you guys remember, the fit on a couple of the tops were just very uncomfortable and just kind of ill-fitting is the right word, right? High hopes for all of these. They're really cool summer warm weather pieces. I like what they put in our box, so we're going to talk about each item real quick, then I'm going to throw them all on, and then when we're done we're going to talk about how it all worked out. So guys, let's start with the jewelry. So we received some earrings from Wantable. These are Argento Vivo, and I don't know if Wantable is like on a budget now, but they used to come out on a little card and now they're really literally just loose. So, but they are very cute. They're like a bluish, let me see, I bet I could hang them on here and maybe you could see them that way. What do you think? We'll try it. There we go. They are the Argento Vivo Aquamarine, I think they're called, drop earrings. They're a nice length and they are a nice color blue. They're a little unique. They're the gold. You know, I like white gold, you guys, but this is yellow gold. I could probably make it work. So that's our first set, which is these earrings, and I'll definitely throw them on with everything just so you can kind of see them throughout the episode. Our next item is by Denim, and it's an open back drape top black ivory stripe. I kind of like the fact it's ivory, not white. So here's the front. The back has this sort of strap across here and then a drapey back. I don't know if you will see the bra when you, the back bra strap when I put this on, so we'll see. It's hard to explain. It's kind of a cross between casual and dressy. I probably could make this work for work, but I kind of see it cute with like a pair of black shorts and so it's just some sandals. Again, really like that detail on the back. So that's our first top. Our second top is by Z Supply and it's a pocket racer tank in Fiesta Orange. It's just a simple tank, but guys, I do really like it. I like the color. Sometimes the sort of coral oranges don't work well with my complexion, so we'll see when we put it on. But it's just a racer back tank top. It's a nice material, so it's not just like a normal, I guess, racer back tank that you would like maybe wear to the gym. It has a front pocket, and again, I love front pockets, but they kind of crack me up because girls, we know there's nothing that we put in those pockets, right? I mean, nothing. But it's still a nice detail. So this is our second top. Our third top is by Hazel, and this is a sleeveless lace peplum top in black. I really like the pattern on this. It's again a nice dressy black tank top. It's actually got a tank underneath. I don't know if you can see it if I pull it up. Let's see here. Yeah, so it has a tank sheath underneath. It has a zipper back, and it's a really pretty lace material. High hopes for this guy as well. It looks like it has a little bit of an A-line on the waist. And that does it, guys, for our tops. So what we have left is a romper, a dress, and a pair of shorts, and I'm going to save the romper and the dress for last because they might be my two most favorite pieces so far in the box. So let's talk about the shorts. These are the Adeline shorts in gray by Jag Jeans. They've got a string tie here. They have just the two pockets in the back and they're cuffed. I like them. I like the gray sort of distressed material. And guys, we always need shorts, especially now that it's mid to end of June. These might be a really great pair of sort of like kick around shorts. Maybe kind of see it with that. What do you guys think? We will check it out when we do the try on. Our next dress is by Gentle Fawn and it's the Evie Swing Dress Charcoal Micro Stripe. Again, for summer guys, this is a really cool staple piece. It's got a nice length. The back has a little bit of an open back, hopefully you can see that. And it just has a very fine stripe through it, so it's not, you know, sometimes girls, us with the horizontal stripes, we're like, uh-oh. This actually, you have to look real close to see the stripe. Other than that, it just sort of looks like the bluish gray. That's the length, and we will see on this guy now. Let's talk about the romper because it is so pretty, you guys. So here is our romper this month. This is the sleeveless keyhole romper in black blush floral by Lauren Helena. There's a lot of really cool features to this. I'm assuming the keyhole they're talking about is here in the back, but I'm a little more intrigued with what's going on in the front, guys. I don't know how it's pretty much of a deep plunge there. So we will see how it looks on, but it looks like it's a decent length on the short. It's a really nice, cool, silky material. And guys, it's one of those things that can really be dressed up, I think. So that is what we got this month in our box for Wantable. Definitely, as far as styles, way thumbs up, because again, we got a little bit of everything. I'm really excited about trying all these pieces on. So I think we'll start with the tops, and then we will look at the dress, the romper, and the shorts. So give me 1 second, I'm gonna throw the first one on and I will come right back and see ya. So here is outfit number 1, guys. We have the Argento Vivo Aqua Drop earrings, and we have the drape back striped top by Denim. I like the fit of this. Interesting though, if I pull it too much this way, you guys see how it kind of blouses right here? So kind of need to make sure I'm always pulling it that way. But guys, quite honestly, it's really just a normal t-shirt in the front. The detail is definitely the back. So you see here we have the I don't know what this is called, this piece here at the top. And then the drape actually does do a really great job of covering right where it's supposed to. And so that's what it looks like from the back. I really like this top. I think it's comfortable and versatile. So, and the earrings, of course, I was just actually thinking if there's ever been a thing of jewelry that I've gotten from any of my monthly subscriptions that I've sent back. And you know, if you remember, there was that silver bracelet that had that funky kind of a link clasp. But other than that, I think I keep every single piece of jewelry I ever get sent, just because, you know, I'm not one of those people. I don't think they can go into a jewelry store and look through a whole big selection and go, okay, yeah, I want that one, or no, I don't. So being able to look at one piece sort of at a time and sort of, you know, try it on with some of my stuff and go, you know, I really think that'll work and I can find a place for that, tends to work for me. So probably will be the same story with these earrings. Came, fill them on, and I just think that they're kind of a light enough blue that they probably could go with just about anything that you put on. So I'm going to put on the second top right now, guys, which is going to be the black lace peplum top, and I'll be back in just a flash. So here is the lace black peplum top by Hazel. I like it. Again, I like sort of a little bit of the flowiness right here at the bottom. Interesting though, I told you it had a tank top underneath. The tank top goes a little longer than the top itself, so I'm not sure if I like that. I think I would like it better if the only thing that you saw was the actual lace part. Uniquely, interestingly, somethingly enough, this is a full tank top underneath. It's like they took a tank top and they stitched it here and they stitched the straps kind of up here. So if you're not watching and you're not careful, you can actually go to put it on and not have the tank top right, or put it on and the straps are twisted, because I did all of those things, you guys. But once you get it on, it's nice, it's comfy, it's flowy. It has a zipper in the back. It's a really sort of basic black sort of dressy tank, but it's dressed up with the peplum pattern on it. And it does have a little bit of detail here and here, so I think it kind of shapes the person well when you put it on. At least I think it shapes me well. So we have one more top, which is the racerback tank, and then we get into the cool stuff, the shorts, the romper, and the dress. Hold tight. So here we are. I decided to throw the shorts on with the tank, but guys, as I was taking off the black top, I had a revelation. This is your supposedly chic PSA, public service announcement for the day. As I was taking that top off, I was realizing I was sort of pulling my top off and taking it off sort of away from my face, so I did not get any makeup, lipstick, mascara, etc. on it. Why? Because until I go into Wantable and I say, hey, I want this and I own it, it's not mine. So ladies, if you're in the dressing room, have that same mentality, okay? You don't own it until you went through the check stand and took it home. So just pull it out a little when you take it off so you don't get lipstick, eyeshadow on a shirt that maybe you're not going to keep and someone else is going to have to deal with all that mess. So alright, there you go. My PSA aside. Now let's talk about the outfit. This is the racerback top by Z Supply and the gray shorts by Jag Jeans. I like it. I don't know if I love it. The racerback tank is really comfortable. I just have to try and figure out if the color is going to work for me. Again, racerback, so we'll have to watch our bra straps, ladies. And I would not wear this tank with these shorts simply because I am not a big fan of tucking in my shirts, and the little tie that comes here on the shorts, you can see it through the shirt. So that aside, maybe I can actually take that off because all it really is decoration. It's not holding my shorts on. I like the shorts. I gotta figure out if I'm a fan of sort of the bigger pant leg, short leg, is that what we call them on shorts? But other than that, you guys can see they're pretty cool pair of shorts. We have the two button pockets in the back, and they are really comfortable, and I kind of think that cool gray color will sort of be versatile with just about everything that I would pair it with. So we have gotten through the tops, we have gotten through the shorts, and now we get to look at the romper and the dress. Hang tight. I have my ideal sundress for the summer, you guys. This is the micro stripe tank dress from Gentle Fawn. I love the color. You know, it's sort of a unique sort of blue-gray mix, and the sort of black micro stripe just sort of makes it pop. To show you, it does have a keyhole on the back. And other than that, it's just a nice, swingy, comfortable, flattering sundress that, again, if I threw a little sweater on it, had the right shoes, I could probably go out with it. But I'm really looking, this is kind of like a get up, take a shower, and go out to breakfast with the hubby kind of a dress. I really, this again, this and the romper I think are my two favorite pieces. So what are we waiting for, guys? Let's get to the romper. So our romper today is Lauren Helena Floral Keyhole Romper. And guys, this I think is my #1 favorite piece from this box. The plunge is a little low, but I'm thinking I could fix that if I had to with a pin or something. The only other thing that I'm not really thrilled about, and I need to figure out how to make it work, is this guy sort of tends to drape, and it just feels like it ought to be more taut. But I like the cut. It does have the button at the top. It's a nice sort of darker floral, so it's a little bit flattering there too. And the shorts length is long enough that I don't feel like I'm wearing hoochie shorts. And all in all, I feel really, really put together in this outfit. So guys, we have gone through the gamut of our entire box. Now, let's buy them all, right? But we don't know what they cost. So before we go all crazy and empty our bank account, let's sit down and talk about each of the items and see if there are some items just based on cost that we would maybe consider giving back, because just based on fit and style, guys, like every single thing in this month's box. Guys, I did not want to take that romper off. I really love it. So now is where we say, gosh darn it, we love everything in this box, but we surely can't keep it, because if we did, gang, $328.50 would go flying out of our bank account to never be seen again. So what do we want to keep? Why do we want to keep it? And what might be financially disadvantageous for us, right? Let's start at the top, okay? We've got the black and white striped drape top. This is again by Denim, and the price on this is $58. $58. Maybe. That goes in the maybe pile, guys. Next we have the Evie swing dress in charcoal micro stripe, which I really, really, really love. This one was $55, and I am keeping this one if it's the only piece I keep. Next we have the Adeline shorts. Again, we did like them. The bow in the front makes it sort of tough to wear like tops over it and not tucked in. Oh my, guys, these are $69, and for half a pair of pants, $69 is a little out of my range. So unless something changes, these guys will be going back. Next, we will talk about the black peplum lace top. Like this guy a lot. This is by Hazel, and this is $58. I have an awful lot of black in my wardrobe. This would work really good for a work. It would work for a work staple. I keep saying that, don't I, guys? But $58, gosh, I wish their price points were just a little lower. So we will see on this guy. This guy's a maybe as well. Now we've got the Fiesta Orange Racerback tank, and that's $32, and that's not bad. And I like the color, I like the style. It's a little dressier than a normal tank top, and this guy we will be keeping for sure. The earrings, which I left on because I do really love them. They are the Argento Vivo Aqua Stone Drop earrings. Guys, these are $58 for 4 stones and a little bit of metal. $58. Don't know if I like them that much. Don't know at all if I like them that much. Now let's talk about my favorite piece, which was this romper, which is sassy and pretty and comfortable and cool all in one. Our sleeveless keyhole romper is $70. Now I guess we could say it's doubles as shorts and a dress, so we could justify the cost. I think I'm going to push this one to the keep pile. Now, Wantable, just like when we do our Stitch Fix unboxings, they do try and reel you into buying all 5, or all, however they are here, 1, 2, 3, all 7 pieces by giving you a discount. So the discount is $80. So what did we say was a maybe? We said that the shorts, the shorts alone are $70. So if we kept everything, it'd be like getting the shorts for free. But guys, I am just not sure if I am prepared to drop $300 plus on these clothes. What do you think? Tell me what you guys think. I have like 3 days after I post this to make a decision, so let me know what you think. I'd love to hear what you all thought about the fit and the style and the patterns. And I think that we can all agree, and let me know if you don't agree, but this was a really good mix of items in a box. And this is kind of what I'm looking for when I do unboxing. Last week we got a trunk club that had 5 items in it, and I was really a little pissy about that. So this is kind of what I'm looking for. There's a lot of stuff to choose from. I can maybe pick just 1 or 2 of the items and still feel like they're sort of innovative items I don't already have in my closet. So guys, hope that this is all beneficial for you. Let us know in the comments what you would like to see from us as far as content. And guys, if you do me a favor, just go ahead and just pound that subscribe button down below and let all your friends know and let everybody subscribe. Also, if by chance you're new to Supposedly Chic, here are a couple of videos that will help get you started. And guys, until next time, this is Cindy at Supposedly Chic, and make it a good one.